Ooh, what's going on, you guys? It is Boston back on your screen, bringing you a brand new video here in APM. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below to join the Boston family today we are gonna haul corn again because we have another field ready to go. It's very close actually. It's not very far. It's super close. So as you guys can see, wait, what the? I thought we had 5 trucks. That is weird. Well, anyway, we got Hayden in old blue, the light blue truck. We got me driving the yellow truck. We got JP driving the white truck, and we have 3J driving the brown truck. So we had 5 out of we had a 5th one, but it was green. But where'd it go? That's so weird. All right, guys, we're gonna head out to the field right now. Hayden, lead the way, man. All right, let's go, truck drivers. All right, let's go. Go right. All right, there you go. Hayden's going to be leading the way because he's going to fill up first, huh, Hayden? Let's go. Pick up the pace, buddy.
I am going as fast as I can in this truck, okay?
Oh, whatever you say, amigo. Huh?
And stay in second gear when loading.
Yes, guys. Stay in second gear when you guys are loading. There's the combine right there. You guys can see the combine right there. That's how we're going to get to it. Going on the dirt road. Anyway.
I'm so sorry, my phone literally died.
Oh boy, guys. Oh, it's welcome, Wolf. Well, apparently we are going out to the field right now, and then the video's already going.
What?
The video's going, so we're going out to the field right now. Hurry. So just keep going straight through the co-op, Wolf, and then turn right into a farm.
Oh my god, such a dummy.
Alright, guys, we are going up right now, and there's a combine harvester. There it is. Hayden's gonna get loaded.
Wait for me. Where are you guys? Where do I turn at the stop sign?
Okay, go straight. Okay, I'm gonna keep a look on the map. So Wolf, keep going straight. I'm gonna keep track of you. Go straight from the truck spawn. Keep going straight. Cross that bridge and look. When you go over the bridge, look to your right. You should be able to see us.
Okay.
All right.
Hold on, Hayden. I'm gonna make sure the other truck gets you safe.
Nope. Wait, keep going. We see you. I see you. Keep going. You see us? Look to your right. Do you see trucks lined up?
I don't.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. I see you. But keep going. And turn right at the stop sign.
I see me, but I don't see you.
Turn right. Turn right at the stop sign.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, turn right.
And then at the end, turn right again. You should be able to see a group of trucks lined up. Hayden, no blinkers.
No blinkers, Hayden. Come on.
Sorry.
Okay, turn right again. Go into that farm and go to the back feet. Do you see 3J's truck, the brown truck?
I don't know.
Keep going back. Keep driving back towards the farm.
Wait, so don't turn?
Yes. Keep
No.
turn.
No.
Come.
You gotta stay in the road that you're on.
You should see us.
Keep going forward. So stay in this road that I just turned into?
Yes.
Okay.
Keep going.
Now, right? You should see a dirt road.
Dirt road.
Yes, I do.
See us?
Go on there.
See it? See us?
Oh no, I see you.
Yep. And you were unloading at the co-op.
You ready, Hayden, for the first load?
Let's go.
Let's move it.
Hmm.
You know, these trucks fill up quick, you know.
They sure do.
Oh, why is my blinkers on?
Yeah, that's what I said. Why is yours on, dude?
Hayden. Oh, there you go.
I'm right behind you, Hayden, just in case.
Next one up.
You're set, Hayden.
Bye, Hayden.
Have a good time. See you guys.
Here we go, Pop.
Alright, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try and line up with the harvester here. So, wish me luck, you guys. Wish me luck. We should be able to see Hayden go out. Yep, he's going.
Alright, Pop. Let's make a U-turn.
10-4, son. Make a U-turn.
You should have planned until you get back to the other end.
Oh, yeah, I should be able to. Hayden, wait at the co-op for the next truck. For me. Or for me. Alright, Hayden?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I gotta switch mics. Sorry, everyone. We will switch mics. Sorry, everyone. We will switch mics. Sorry, everyone. Okay. Hopefully, you guys can hear. Gosh, dang it! Of course I could. Okay, there goes three. There goes JP. Now he's moving. Oh my gosh! So sorry, guys. Yep, you go in there. I'm on my way, boys.
Hayden, let's go.
Okay, cool.
Oh, guys. We're pulling in right now. Let's see this background. Oh boy. Oh gosh, just in time.
You're full of Mr. Hayden Brown.
Alright, see you, Pete.
See ya.
Alright. Oh gosh.
Papa, your
Wait,
truck.
who's white?
JP, he's old white. Wolf, you were supposed to wait at the inside for the next truck to show up. But it's okay.
Turn around, Dad.
And
You
for
don't
some.
like blue?
Blue's Hayden. Blue is Hayden. Okay, we're turning around here. Don't you guys like trucking? Custom trucking?
It's awesome. I love it.
I know you do, Hayden. You think you want to be a truck driver like me one day, do ya?
Oh, you know it.
Oh,
Oops.
bro, where's another truck? We need more trucks out over here. Is there trucks just sitting there, Hayden? Is old white and
I'm coming. We got 3J. We got, no, not 3J. JP sitting here.
okay? Where is 3J?
I'm near.
Okay, I am full wolf, so you may as well hurry.
JP on his way.
Down 4. Oh, there. Oh, I see old green.
10-4, I'm here. 10-4, I'm here.
I see old green. Same thing what you did, Wolf. Same thing what you did.
Go.
Yep. Just go. What do you guys think of old yellow so far? Honestly, it's a great truck. It really
Just
isn't.
waiting until I see someone pull up to here.
10-4, Aiden. That would be me.
Ready. 10-4 there, rubber ducky.
Bruh, rubber ducky, bruh. Oh, here comes JP.
Man.
Okay, Wolf, let's make a U-turn here.
All right.
Austin, you can try these beans and see if you like them.
U-turn.
I'm doing a video right now at the moment, but I will do it after.
Well, because we need to know if I need to keep them or not. Here, hold on. I'll bring you a chip.
Just bring me a chip. 1 second, you guys. I got my mom trying to make me. I'm gonna try my mom's bean that she makes. So if you give me 1 sec at the co-op, I'm gonna sit tight at the co-op. Okay, where did 3J go? Oh, I see you, Hayden. You're set, Hayden. I see you.
10-4.
All right, let's look. More.
What?
You gotta go
What?
more. More of that.
You like them?
Yeah, but you gotta go more. It tastes a little funny, but that's
Will
fine.
you eat them or no?
Yeah, I will.
Nearly full. Nearly full.
Now you're full, Wolf. Send JP over, would ya?
Yep. JP. It's in done now.
We're gonna wait for the next truck to show up, which that would be Wolf.
I know where to go.
Just a
Don't
heads
worry.
up, Wolf is on her way.
10-4.
Wolf is on his way.
Let's go, Mr. 3J.
Back.
Stay in second gear, JP.
Well,
Said Mr. JP.
I'll let you get turned around there.
Oh yeah, that is true.
oh boy. So okay, JP. Oh, well, JP could go more if he wants, but I'm not saying he. Wait, hold on, Hayden.
Hold on, Hayden. Okay, JP's gonna go. Alright.
Wolf, are you? Where are you?
I am coming back. I repeat, I'm coming back.
I don't see you anywhere.
I just on Feld. I'm just coming back right now.
Okay.
I'm about to cross the bridge.
Okay. Another one heading back out. Oh! Oh my. Oh, you. Oh my. Wolf, you literally passed a co-op, but that's okay.
You're full, Mr. Hayden Brown.
All right. Thank you, Pete.
Okay, I don't see another truck. I am getting tired of sitting here.
Where's
I
the
am on my way.
Oh, I see JP. Now I see JP coming down the road. There's 3J. Well, there's JP.
Wolf, how's it going?
Good.
Alright, guys, we're heading back out to the field in Old Yellow again.
The old
You
yellow.
should be able to see me.
I'd be able to see Hayden.
I am stuck.
Bro, there's no one underneath the combine numbers. Okay, we're gonna get there as fast as we can. There's Hayden.
Where are you, Wolf?
I'm coming.
We are pulling back in right now. Oh,
Uh-oh.
I see what that green truck is doing.
Coming now.
Ugh. Good, Wolf? Alright, you're up next to low, dude.
Me? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's an old.
Are you like reporting like right now?
Just a heads up, 3J is gone, I think. I don't know.
He's gone?
I don't know. Do you know who 3J's character name is?
It's just 3J, his name.
There you are, Wolf.
Yeah, 3J is not here with us today.
Okay, but that's okay. Now I have to go sideways. Let's go.
Halfway there.
You should be full when we get to the end here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it says truck full. You're set, Wolf.
Have a nice day.
Now sideways. Papa?
On my way, son.
Come on. Try to come through.
Go ahead. You do that. Wolf's heading your way, Hayden.
10-4. That's what I was just about to ask. Who's coming over?
It's Wolf.
10-4.
JP's sitting there.
Let me know when you see me.
Okay.
You,
You're in light blue truck, right? 10-4.
light blue, yep.
Blue.
Light blue, yep.
Okay. Alright, 10-4. 10-4, I'm almost there. Just start across the bridge.
And then, don't go in don't go in that. But you should be able to see Hayden's truck, Wolf.
10-4. 10-4 copied.
I see you, Wolf. Boston, I'm on my way out.
And I am full. I am full. I'm out of here.
See you later, Dad.
JP, my friend. All right, there goes JP. And the old white. I call her Old White.
Alright.
And Wolf, sit there until I get there.
Sit.
Yeah, you need to sit there until I get there.
Let's go, Mr. JP.
Oh, I see a truck.
Boston, how you doing?
There's the light blue truck.
Wolf, Boston's on his way.
10-4 copy.
All right.
Wait until you see him, and then you can go.
What? Until you see me, Wolf, you're out of here. Okay, I'm gonna do something. Oh gosh. Okay.
10-4 to Boston. Do you see me? Oh.
Now I see you.
Let's turn around, JP. Hold on.
Alrighty.
My God, mine's having an issue.
You're sad, Wolf. You could.
Alrighty.
Oh! Dude, it's so hard.
Let's turn around, JP. I'm turning around.
Alright, let's pull up here. Going second gear up this hill.
Alrighty, just crossed the bridge. I am heading out 10-4.
And 4.
All right, JP. Hayden, make sure you fall behind, just in case if he gets full.
10-4. I'm almost there. 10-4.
You're full, JP. Howdy, Hayden.
Or not, Pete.
Your child.
Bro, where is. Who's the next truck? I'm empty. Whoever's the next truck.
Gonna be JP coming your way.
10-4, Hayden.
Turn around, Hayden. Oh, my auger's on.
Alright, I'm here.
Make sure you get behind Hayden before he gets full.
Shut it back up real quick, Hayden.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, there's a full one.
Alright. Wolf,
That was
you're
good.
up.
Here we go.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Alright, let's find this who next truck. Oh, I see JP. I see him. I see JP coming.
I'm filled.
You are full.
Heading out right now.
Alright, I am empty.
Alrighty, 10-4. I'm coming. 10-4. I'm coming.
I am on my way, Pete.
And for Papa.
Pete, you're turning around?
Yeah.
Well, I see you, Hayden.
Boston.
Oh boy!
Okay.
Oh! Whoa! Jeez, this is steering wheel is so bad on this truck. Holy cow! Good thing I didn't wreck right there. No one's with you, Pete.
Nope, Wolf is full.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Okay, Boston.
Oh, hey, Wolf.
Whoa.
Whoa! Sorry. Alright, we're going fast right now to catch up with Pete because there's no truck sitting underneath that pipe right now. So we gotta go fast. Man, that would be nice if we had more truck.
Can you wait for me?
Hayden will always wait. Alright, we're going fast. We're going fast. Fast.
10-4 Hayden, I see you. 10-4 Hayden, I see you.
Oh boy. Just got here.
Just a type by Papa.
Oh boy. I am spilling all over the place.
Alright, 10-4, do I wait? 10-4, do I wait?
Yes, you wait for me, Wolf.
Okay.
Turn around, Dad.
10-4, son. You about right into me, bruh. Alright, we are turning around.
On your way?
Yeah, I'm almost full. I just got the back.
There you are, Dad.
Bye, son. Oh, JP? He's gonna move up now. Okay, no, okay, there he goes. He was all I see, old blue.
There's a...
How's it going, Buster?
Woo, boy! I almost keep breaking into you. On my way, green truck. Old green. I'm on my way.
10-4 to Boston. Are you almost here?
Yep, I am turning left.
Let's go, JP.
Oh!
You're here.
What the flip?
Oh my. I can't move. JP's truck is stuck. Hayden, what time you take over? Wait, shoot. Wolf, we got a truck issue.
We have a truck issue out here. You two drivers, whoever. Who's... Hold on, Hayden. Hold on.
Wolf, you can head back out to the field. I see you. I'm crossing the bridge. Okay, I'm gonna...
Let's move.
Hold on. JP can't move. I'm gonna...
You can move. Wolf, I see you.
Wait, do I go?
Yes, you go. You go. You go. I'm pulling up.
10-4 Pete, I'm coming. 10-4 Pete, I'm coming.
We have a truck suspension not working out over here right now, so I'm gonna try and fix it real quick. Hayden, let's try and fix the suspension on this truck real quick.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, JP, what happened to Old White here? This is the second time it's out down.
Bro.
This is sucky. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna back out and try and get that truck fixed. I shouldn't be doing this, but he can't move at all. So I'm gonna head back and go see what the problem is. I think I know what Old White's deal is. Because Old White is an old truck. It's the oldest.
Boston, go to the store and see if you can get a strap, like a toe strap.
Oh, dang it. I should have done that. I'm already heading back out. You should see me.
Hey, well, on your way out, can you see if you can grab a toe strap?
Oh, wait a sec. Did this truck just move?
Cancel that. Cancel that. He moved. He moved.
Now he can move.
Hayden, now go behind JP.
10-4.
Now JP can move. I thought that was an issue.
Okay. Are you good this time, Mr. JP? Hopefully you are. Hold on one sec.
Alright, guys, we're back here.
Let's go.
Alrighty. Doing well, doing well.
Holy cow, all 4 trucks are out here.
You're full, JP Brown. JP.
Excuse me.
Let's turn around,
Right
Hayden.
behind me, please.
All 4 trucks are out here because of that issue. Alright, JP is out of here. Oh, this truck is barely moving. It's trying to move.
Let's go, Hayden.
I am after Hayden.
Yes, you are.
You said Hayden Brown.
10-4, thank you.
Yep.
Here we go.
Let's go, Wolf.
Go.
Now it's back up.
Time to turn. Turn.
And tell JP to wait again, Hayden. Tell him to wait since your truck is fixed.
Oh. Hold on. I'm getting there right now. Hold on.
Hey, you're fine, Wolf. I'm always patient for you. I'm always patient. My hopper's so nice in the red. Okay, I'm gonna go around here. Oh, I'm not sure what my build thing mod was on. Do you know what you're doing, Wolf?
Here, let me scoot up, Wolf. I'm gonna scoot up
Yeah,
here.
I know what I'm doing.
I-
Sorry, I know what I'm doing.
Okay, I scoot up.
All right, let's go, Wolf. Make sure you're going the right way.
Holy cow, I'm right on their tail.
Sad, Wolf.
Set.
Yep.
Let's go, Wolf.
One button. Alrighty.
Alright, Wolf is full.
There we go.
And tell JP to come back out. Hayden, where's JP? I don't see him.
He's just getting unloaded, and he's now on his way.
Okay, wait for Wolf to come back once you're unloaded.
10-4.
As you know already.
Alrighty. 10-4 Hayden, I'm coming.
Pete, you turning around?
Always, Dad.
I don't know. This is illegal to do this, but I'm gonna run over the crops. This is not gonna be happy at all. We are halfway full. We're close. Oh, I did not mean to run to the harvester. OMG. What do you mean, OMG?
Draft into me.
It's fine.
And
It's
looks like I spilled my corn.
Wolf.
Darn
It's
it.
fine. It's fine. We just here to have fun
know.
anyway.
Wait, no, never mind. It's bad.
This is
I got
cool.
the magnet.
Your fault, Dad.
Yes, sir, Pete. Okay, I don't even know where JP is right now.
10 car across the bridge.
Oh, here comes
Across the
JP
bridge.
in all white.
Just in time, Mr. JP.
Oh, the sun is going down. The sun is going down. Well, you guys,
No.
the sun is going down. That means the moisture could go bad. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to join the Boston family. Today, you guys wait to end the video. You guys are awesome. We'll see you guys next time on Boston Gaming. Boston out.